Hello, friends! Welcome back. Today, I want to share a story with you. It's a simple story, but it changed the way I think about people. It's called The Lost Phone in the Park. Listen carefully, feel the words, and later you can practice speaking by repeating after me. Let's begin. It was a warm Saturday afternoon. I was walking in the park near my apartment. The sun was shining, children were playing, people were sitting on benches, talking and laughing. I love this park. I go there every weekend to relax and think. That day, I walked along the path by the lake. I was listening to music with my headphones. Everything felt peaceful. Then I saw something on the ground. It was lying next to a bench. I stopped walking. I looked closer. It was a phone. Someone's phone. I picked it up. The screen was locked, but I could see notifications. There were many messages. Someone named Mom had called 3 times. I thought, someone is looking for this phone. Someone is worried. I sat down on the bench. I didn't know what to do. Should I wait? Should I take it to the police? Should I try to call someone? Then the phone rang. The screen said, Mom. I answered. Hello? I said. A woman's voice spoke quickly. She sounded very worried. Emma? Emma, is that you? Where are you? I've been calling you for an hour. I'm sorry, I said. I'm not Emma. I found this phone in the park. I think Emma lost it. There was silence. Then the woman said, Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you so much. Emma is my daughter. She's only 16. She went to the park with her friends and she didn't come home. I was so scared. My heart felt heavy. I understood. This mother was afraid. She didn't know where her daughter was. Don't worry, I said. The phone is safe. I'll wait here. Can you call Emma's friends? Maybe they know where she is. Yes, I'll try. Please stay there. I'm coming to the park now. Thank you so much. She hung up. I sat on the bench and waited. I looked at the phone. It had a pink case with stickers on it. One sticker said, Be kind. Another one said, Dream big. I smiled. Emma seemed like a nice girl. About 15 minutes later, a woman ran toward me. Behind her was a young girl with long brown hair. The girl looked embarrassed. That's my phone, she said. The woman, Emma's mother, looked at me with tears in her eyes. Thank you, she said. Thank you so much. I was so scared. Emma and her friends were on the other side of the park, and she didn't even know she lost her phone. Emma looked down. I'm sorry, Mom. I didn't realize. We were taking photos by the fountain. I gave the phone back to Emma. She smiled shyly. Thank you, she said. You didn't have to wait. Most people wouldn't. I shook my head. It's okay. I know how important a phone is, and I know how worried your mom was. Emma's mother reached into her bag. Please let me give you something, a reward, money, or... I stopped her. No, please. I don't want anything. I'm just happy Emma is safe, and I'm happy you have your phone back. The mother looked at me for a moment. Then she hugged me. It surprised me, but it felt warm. "You're a good person," she said. "Thank you." They walked away together. Emma turned back and waved at me. I waved back. I sat down again. I felt something strange in my chest. It was a good feeling, a warm feeling. I didn't do anything big. I just found a phone and waited. But it mattered. It mattered to Emma. It mattered to her mother. That day, I learned something important. Small actions can mean a lot. Kindness doesn't have to be big or expensive. Sometimes it's just about doing the right thing. It's about caring even when no one is watching. Now, when I walk in the park, I always look around, not just at the trees and the lake, but at people, at the small things. Because you never know when you can help someone. You never know when a small moment can change someone's day. That's the end of the story. Now, it's your turn to practice. Listen to the story again and pause after each sentence and repeat using the shadowing technique. Speak with confidence and feel the story. Don't worry about being perfect. Just practice, and you'll improve every day. Thank you for listening. See you next time.